Welcome to Humanities 260 CRN 11357. I'm your instructor, Lynn Saul. Humanities 260 is Intercultural Perspective on Humanities. We will be studying the history and creative work of Native Americans, African Americans, Hispanic Americans, and Asian Americans. This is an OER course, Open Educational Resources. That means that you do not have to buy any books for this class. All assigned readings and other activities are provided within the course. You will have to use the library for final project research, and you will have to go somewhere for your individual field trip. Let's take a look at how to get around our D2L Brightspace site for this course. So first, here on the home page, look for announcements. And whenever I have news to report, I will post an announcement. So you should look at this every day or every other day. This is an 8-week accelerated class. Be prepared to keep at it and produce all work within the short deadlines for each assignment. So really you need to be paying attention every day, because assignments, generally you'll have 2 days to do the assignment. So second, let's look at what we call the nav bar, or short for navigation bar. These are up at the top here. Let's start with content. And here on content is where all the explanations and assignments for each module of the course are given. So we can start with the syllabus. You want to read the syllabus carefully and print it out and put it in your notebook. And at the end of the syllabus, you'll find the schedule of work, which lists all of the assignments, what you need to do, and when it will have to be done. And then also under Start Here and Resources, under Content, you will find helpful hints and course resources, which are just some handouts that will better explain the concept in the course. If we come back to the content, you will see that we have each unit module listed separately, and under each of those, Native American, African American, Hispanic American, and Asian American, you will find the assignments and links to the discussions that you need to do for each of those, and then also the final essay that you will do at the end of that unit. We also have modules listed for the individual field trip assignment and for the final project. Next on the nav bar, we have assessments. Assessments are all of the graded activities in the class, including assignments, which are the unit essays, as well as the final project proposal and the submission of the final project. And then also under assessments, we have the discussions, and these are the discussions, an introductory discussion that you need to do, introducing yourself, and then the discussions for each section of the course. There are 4 discussions in each unit. under course resources, there is a course calendar. I'm not quite sure where that is listed here. It's in the instructor course resources, but apparently it's not under student one, and so that's going to have to get moved. I hope to put the calendar on the home page. But a thing that's very important under course resources is the class list, because if you want to send an email to someone in the class, including me, the instructor, all you have to do is check off the name that you want to email to here, and go to email, and it will give you the email draft right in the body what you want to do. If you have any technical issues in this course, go to PCC Brightspace. Not showing it there under help, but to come back to the home page, you will see tech support. If this is your first online course, you might want to do the orientation to online learning. Then you can call this number for student technical support, 520-206-4800. That's 24/7, so you can always get help with any questions that you may have about working in D2L or other computer issues. Please feel free to contact me with any course-related issues, but I can't help with the computer technical stuff. So call student help for that. I look forward to an exciting and successful 8-week course. This is very fast-paced, and you'll need to work hard, but I know that you will, and that